Let me show you how to factory hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. So I will show you two different ways. First, if you have access to the tablet and everything is okay. So if you have access to the settings, and also the second way is something has happened to the tablet, or also maybe you are locked out and you do not remember the pin pattern or password on it. So first way, we can simply go in the settings. So general management here. And we have this reset option here. So you see, we can also like reset individual settings or also do factory date reset. So again, it will wipe everything from your device, remove all the accounts. So again, everything will be like completely like removed from your device. If you want to sell it or give it to someone or simply reset, make sure, to click there. Then what if basically your, something has happened to your device or it's you are simply locked out of it. So first we actually have to force restart it to be able to get in this like bootloader menu. So we have to reset it from the bootloader. To do it in this way, you also will need your charger cable and also like a PC or a laptop where to plug in your charger. So it can't be a charger, it has to be a PC or laptop. So you see, I currently have plugged in and my PC also is running essentially. I'm simply going to place, so insert basically the charger cable inside, so it starts to charge here. And next, what I'm going to do is, while I'm in this pin menu, I'm going to simply, I'm going to hold the power button and the volume down till the tablet actually shuts down. And once it shuts down, I'm going to jump to holding the power and the volume down, basically up, sorry. Yep. So let's do it. So the power and the volume down, and keep holding like this. It takes maybe like 10 seconds to reset, so restart. So ignore whatever it says. Okay, so and let's jump to holding the power and volume up. And as soon as you see the Samsung logo and you feel vibration, release. So on vibration, release. You have to be quick. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Okay, so you see, basically as soon as you see the Samsung logo, release, not the Samsung, not the Galaxy, but Samsung logo. So you have to be kind of quick. If it doesn't work the first time, simply try again and get the timing right. So then you see, you have like different options here. So we would use these like the volume buttons to cycle to the wipe date factory reset. So then click this button here. And again, cycle down to the factory date reset and confirm with this button. Again, so everything will get wiped from your device. So again, all pictures, videos and everything, also the security also will get wiped. Also, if you had a Google account on this password, the next time you actually set up this tablet, it will ask you for your Google account, like email password to confirm basically. So again, so just in case you are so again, they want you to confirm that you are actually indeed the owner of this tablet and you aren't doing anything funny, basically. So yep, after you do that, you'll be able to get your tablet back. Anyway, good luck.